Wagwan, Chef Fitz in the building today again with another quick recipe. Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to do Jamaican French fried chicken. Guess what? Quarantine. KFC lock, Chef it lock, Papa is locked, everywhere locked down. So guess what? You have to do your own thing. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare a Jamaican French fried chicken. Oh, stay tuned. We'll be back.
No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find.
Alright, so welcome back. We have half a chicken here that we cut up. We basically cut them in small quarters. I like to basically cut my chicken in small. Alright. We have the leg, we have the wing, thigh, we have the rib, and we have the breast. Alright, so we basically wash our chicken with vinegar already. So we basically gonna add our seasoning to it now. So over here we have some all-purpose season, which is this. We have a little bit of salt, we have some vanilla, we have some ground season. This ground season basically having most like onion, garlic, all of those spices. And we have a little bit of scotch bonnet here that we chopped up fine, and also a little bit of paprika. Alright, so we're basically gonna add this to our meat, and then we rub it in nicely. Alright. Yeah, so I normally recommend when you're rubbing in your chicken, ensure that you use gloves, yeah? Because worse when you look about kids and all these things, because you see this scotch bonnet here really take long to come off of your finger sometimes. Alright, ensure that you rub the season on the skin of the chicken, because you want the chicken to taste good, you know. So even the breast part, ensure that you go down in these little areas and you rub it in nicely, and you're going to leave it there to marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Normally I would season my chicken from overnight and put it on the fridge. So we there basically get a nice marinate from overnight. So you take it out in the morning, you basically go and fry it. You see, but you're rubbing your chicken nicely, man. Ensure that you get a good rub. Go on your legs, them. You bring it back down like this. Bring down the skin of your legs, and then so we're going to basically show you how to prepare the other batter for the chicken, the flour here. Also ensure that this part of the chicken, the thigh part, is the hardest area too. Alright, so over here, so we're preparing our egg wash. We have 3 eggs that we whisked and basically pour it into this container. We're basically going to add some milk to the container. We're preparing our egg wash. Alright, after we add the milk, we add a little bit of water, and then we stir it. Sure that we stir it nicely, you know. This is our egg wash we're preparing for the chicken. I like to put my a big container, because basically give me more space and more areas to handle it. Alright, that is our egg wash ready. Alright, this is our flour that we're going to use to flour our chicken. We're going to add some more hard surplus, not a lot. You see, we season our flour, we season our chicken, and so the chicken must taste good. Add a little bit of paprika just for looks. That basically give it a nice little looks, and then you mix it around. Alright? Yeah, mix it around nicely. Alright, that's it. So we prepare our egg wash and also our flour to flour the chicken. Alright, that's it. Alright, this is our oil that we're going to put our chicken in to fry. Ensure that it's about 1.5 cups of oil, yeah, because guess what, we deep frying our chicken, so can use a little bit of oil. Ensure that I like to fry dumpling or probably plantain in my oil before I use it. I just don't like to use the straight oil to fry my chicken. When you use the oil, it basically get a better taste and a nicer flavor. Alright, so I fried some dumpling with this morning. I'm going to show you the video later. So I'm going to allow it to get hot. Turn the stove at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. Alright, so we're going to place our chicken first into the egg wash. Put it nicely to the egg wash. Let me know the egg wash. Alright. Make sure you put all the egg wash on it. And then we place it into the flour. We're going to flour it after. So from egg wash to the flour. Make sure that you get a nice wash. This is why you call it egg wash. And then after you do that, you're going to ensure that you rub in your flour inside of the chicken. Rub it in. Alright? So wash it with the egg first, man. Put it on your egg wash, you know. This also brings the crispy taste of the chicken, you know. The egg wash. Alright? So we're going to flour our chicken next. Alright, so we start flour chicken. Doing the same thing, rubbing it. So we're rubbing the flour in it, yeah? Ensure that all the ears in your chicken is floured. Alright? So you're going to shake it like this and put it down like that. Ready to fry. Alright? You're going to do the rest of the same in the same procedure. Like that. Ensure that all of the ear on the chicken flour. Alright? Good. And you put it down like that. Ready to fry. Alright? That's it. Alright, so here we have our chicken that get floured and ready to put into our pot. So we basically gonna put in the other, the thigh, the breast, and the rib. So the reason why I put in that first, those are the other ones to cook. So after 2-3 minutes, you can add the wing and also the leg. Alright? So after a minute and a half, we can basically add our wing and our leg. Alright? Flip in the leg there. Alright? Wing. Good. So it's basically 15 to 18 minutes to prepare it. Ensure that you check each side after 4 to 5 minutes to ensure that you don't overcook one side, and basically ensure that both sides are even. Alright? So you check it every 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 minutes, our chicken started to get the color that we're looking for. Yeah, as you can see. Jamaican French fry, boy. Looking good. Alright. Ensure that you keep an eye on it, yeah? If you think the fire is a little bit too much, you kind of turn it down a little bit. Don't turn it way down because you don't want it to get your chicken face soggy and full of oil. Alright? Looking good. So after 15 minutes, this is our chicken look. We're going to remove it from the oil. As you can see, look how crispy it is, boy. Look how crispy it is. Wow. Right, remove it from the oil. And then we're going to shear. Alright. Alright, there you go. Our Jamaican French fried chicken. Look at how good it is, man. Oh my God. Yeah? So listen, you can tell KFC, you can tell Chef Ed, you can tell Popeye, goodbye. Quarantine season is on. We have to stay in and look about our own KFC. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we have many more to come. So look out, Chef Fitzy. I'm out.
No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.